Hello students, so now we are going to discuss about the organized and unorganized crude drugs, right? So when we talk about the organized crude drugs, these are nothing but a morphological plant part, okay? Our entire plant which consists of cellular arrangement in the form of anatomical feature, right? So it will be having, that's what organized, there will be some cellular arrangement it is going to have. Maybe you will get the upper epidermis, lower epidermis, trichomes, stomata, medullary race, cortex, cork, cambium, means there will be some structure, some organization you are going to observe, right? So in here there are some example, for example leaves, right? So digitalis leaf we are having, eucalyptus leaf, tobacco leaves, then atropa belladonna leaves, right? So these are the from the plant source drug example. So these are the what you call organized crude drugs. Coming to the root, we are having roots also comes under the organized crude drugs. For example, Rauwolfia root is there, ashwagandha root is there, Withenia somnifera, ashwagandha. Then bark also organized drug, cinchona bark, cinnamon bark. Fruit also organized drug like coriander fruit, fennel fruit. Means the microscopical study it is possible with the organized crude drug. Flower also it comes under stem, ephedra, kochia wood is there. Then in seeds we are having nux vomica seed and strychnine. Nux vomica seed also can be come under the organized crude drug, right? Now coming to the unorganized crude drugs, we can discuss here. These are the these drugs don't have the morphological or anatomical organization, just opposite of the organized crude drugs, right? Don't have the morphological and anatomical organization. They are obtained from parts of plant and animals by some process, maybe extraction, maybe distillation, maybe distillation, maybe incision, maybe expression or secretion, etc., right? So the first one it is latex example, right? So in latex what are there, they present in special tissue of the plants, right? Some plants which is there where some parts some special tissue like outermost layer of the particular fruit, right? So in that area they will be there, like opium, papaver somniferum, opium latex we are having example. Then from carica papaya, papain enzyme it is there, from carica papaya fruit we are getting that latex. Next is the gum, right? So when we talk about gums, these are nothing but pathological products. For example, guar gum, acacia gum, tragacan gum, these are the gums which will be there, right? Coming to the mucilage, right? This also comes under the unorganized crude drugs like isabgol seeds, right? Dried juice, aloe vera juice, dried extract we are having agar, gelatin, black catechu. So these are all are the example of unorganized crude drug. Apart from dried extract, we are having oleoresin like ginger oleoresin. In ginger tea there will be the oleoresin, right? Oleogum resin asafoetida, it is the example of oleogum resin. Different oils also comes under the cod liver oil and castor oil. These are the example of unorganized drug. So what is the basic difference between the organized and unorganized drug? If you understand that one, it will be more easy to understand what exactly these are, okay? So when we talk about the organized, what we have discussed just now, in organized cellular structure will be there, there will be proper arrangement will be there, stone cell, vascular bundle, xylem, phloem, upper epidermis will depend on the root, stem, fruit, flower, bark, which we can hold by our hand, and they are visible, they will be having proper anatomical structure. Whereas in unorganized, no cellular structure, there will be no it will be either in the liquid form, so there will be no cellular organization. Microscopical study is not possible. In second difference you can write down, microscopical study it is possible with the organized drug because these are the root, stem, fruit, flower, bark, whereas no microscopical study is possible in the unorganized drug because they are maybe oil, they are latex. Just now we have seen gums, so we cannot go for microscopical study. parts of the plant and animal they may be, but whereas they are also the part, but not direct, right, by some process like extraction, distillation, and so many other process we or the plant has to do. Then only whatever the thing we get, that is called unorganized crude drug, right. Then solid in nature, they will be in solid like cinchona bark, raulfia root, vinca leaf, right. They may be solid, semi-solid, and liquid, like, right. So for example, different fats, they will be semi-solid. Then juice will be in liquid, extract will be in liquid, latex, right. So this there will be the different forms we are going to see in the unorganized crude drug. When we talk about examples, there are clove, fennel, cinchona, vinca, raulfia. These are the example of organized. But unorganized, we can write castor oil, catechu, black catechu, and pale catechu, opium latex, papaya latex, asafoetida. So these are the unorganized crude drugs example. Thank you.